Hi, this is a quick review of the Inventor chilly air conditioner, dehumidifier and fan unit. It has literally just come. So I'm going to go stand next to it because there's quite a few reviews complaining about the noise. Now I'm not using it as a dehumidifier and I'm not using it as a fan. I have just bought it for the air conditioning unit. The temperature today in our house is 23 and we've set it on number 17. It has been running for 10 minutes, about 10 minutes, and by God it is nice and cool in here. We bought it because of the heat waves. Now I have bought a reducer for this pipe. I've seen some reviews where they've just squashed the ends. I didn't want to do that, so we have actually bought a reducer for the end of the pipe, and then we can pump. The only thing I'm not buying is the kit for the window because we don't need it. I've seen too many reviews where they've just stuck it out at window, it's worked just fine, and that's all I'm going to do is just stick it out at window and it'll work just fine. But the difference in here is massive. Now I don't think it's too loud. I mean there seems to be an issue with the thing, but I'm talking, do you think it's loud?
No, once you've got your TV on, it's fine.
No, I don't think it's loud at all. Yeah, it makes a noise, but our dehumidifier makes a noise upstairs for winter. But very easy to set up. It's on rollers, so it's very easy to transport. I won't like to think I was carrying it upstairs because my back's not very good, but me and my wife can carry this upstairs quite easily. I'm very impressed with it. I mean, I am generally impressed with it because the temperature in our room already is dropped massively, and it's at such a comfortable level which we've not had before. So I'm going to give it a thumbs up, 5 stars, and I would highly recommend. Don't like the thing I says I'm not going to do. I'll just show you what we've done for now. We've just took the pipe out, but we are getting a reducer coming, so we can just put the reducer out and bring the window in closer. I don't think it's going to be a problem. I really don't. I mean the blinds are going anyway, so we'll have different blinds and it'll shut better. Absolutely chuffed a bit with it. No idea what the fan works like because I'm never going to use it. Dehumidifier, again, I'm never going to use that. It's not what I bought it for. We bought it for the air conditioning unit, and for the air conditioning unit and for the price, I paid £300. I'm absolutely chuffed a bit with it. I would highly recommend.
Okay, so I've got the documents out right now. The fan is actually on. You can see I've got a set of screws there. I've got this holder which looks like it's for the remote control, which might be quite handy because I can stick it on the side of my desk so I don't lose the remote, because you know what, that always happens. Okay, so it comes with this little dandy little holder with a couple of screws which we can make use of. I'm wondering how loud it sounds. If I go quiet, it's literally just there. So you can have that as a little holder. We've got extra set of screws there, which air conditioning system, paperwork, energy efficiency, 63 decibels. That sounds about right if I'm honest. Okay, and that's the manual. We also get a pipe for draining the system if we need to at any point, so that's quite interesting. So it wasn't too complex. I'll walk you through the setup process. You can see the size of it. So far I'm impressed. The room's nice and cool. How long have I been looking for a cool room? This is a fairly big room. I can feel the breeze coming through here. Beautiful. Hey. So now I'm going to show you where I'm going to place this.
17. Everything's set up. That should be the pipes extended, etc. Absolutely fine at the minute. Let's see how long it takes for it to make a noise. It's normally around the 5-minute mark, something like that. So again, nothing's changed. The remote's over there. There we go. So that was what, 2 minutes, 10 seconds. And that's it. It stays like that. It's really loud.
Yeah, so here it is. It does pump cold air out the front. So my legs are getting cold right now. But this hose is so hot. The heat emitting from that hose, it's like a radiator cranked up in the winter. So my legs are cold, but my face is hot. Standing here is really, really odd. I don't know if there's something wrong with this, or if people maybe have got a better quality one, but it's really hot to the touch. Like really, really hot. You could cook an egg on it. So I get the room filled with hot air and cold air. It's really odd. Now the other thing, if you can hear it, the noise, there's like this high-pitched, vibrating, metallic-y type sound. That is extremely annoying. I've tried angling it, moving it around, squeezing the casing, nothing kind of makes it go away. A bit of a downer that I threw out the box, because I would be sending it back, to be completely honest with you.
So it's 52 decibels on the dot. Got that quiet, but with the set headphones on at night, you can probably sleep. I've got the fly net open, but it does keep the whole place cool as long as I close curtains up a bit. Does the job. Bit noisy for night time, but does the job.
So I just received my Inventor chili today, and I've been running it for about half an hour, and I've got water on my carpet, and this is obviously a problem, a mechanical problem with the machine. So there is a gap of where the plug socket is and the lead comes out of. And all the water decides to piss out of that hole. So if there's any fix for this, the supplier needs to get in contact with everyone and try and resolve an issue.
So as you can tell, it is not loud. It does not make a horrible sound. It's just like a regular fan. It's even, I think, more just quieter than a regular fan. So highly recommended. 17 degrees right now. I've just turned it on and it's already cooled down this living room.
Just want to help people make a decision about this unit. If we go inside my room, which is about 4 by 5 meters, outside you couldn't hear anything. Come inside. This is how it sounds. Totally acceptable, especially for a room that's about 17 degrees right now, while it's about 30 plus outside.
Absolutely fine, not loud at all, no idea what people have been moaning about, powerful, and the cat loves this. That's why